Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a review of the Dokotoo women's summer dress. Specifically, we'll be looking at why this dress stands out as the best white-tiered dress available in the market right now. The Dokotoo women's summer dress is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. Featuring a square neckline and stunning lantern sleeves, this dress effortlessly combines elegance with a touch of retro charm. Crafted from 100% polyester, this dress is not only stylish but also incredibly comfortable. The fabric's high quality ensures a soft, cozy feel against the skin, making it perfect for various occasions throughout the year. The standout feature of this dress is its square collar and lantern sleeves, which harken back to classic fashion while remaining effortlessly modern. The sleeves can even be styled off-shoulder for a more flirtatious look, enhancing its versatility. Designed with a tie-back closure, the dress allows for a customized fit, accentuating your natural curves with its elastic smocked waist. It hits just above the knee, making it suitable for both casual outings and semi-formal events. Pair this dress with your favorite sandals or heels for a chic daytime look, or add statement jewelry and a clutch for an evening out. Its simplicity makes it easy to accessorize, ensuring you always look your best. For maintenance, simply machine wash and hang dry to keep this dress looking as good as new. Its decent thickness prevents it from being see-through, offering comfort and style in any temperature. In conclusion, the Dokotoo women's summer dress is not just a garment. It's a must-have addition to any wardrobe. Its timeless design, combined with its comfort and versatility, makes it the best choice for those looking to elevate their style effortlessly. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.